Hi, this is Clarence from the ChronoLogic network, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zapier automation using ERC20 token transfer automation. To start, click on the Make a Zap button on Zapier. Basically, Zapier has a concept of triggers and actions. Triggers are the one who will execute your actions. So for this example, we are going to use the plugin or application called Dagger. Dagger can trigger your actions in the future on any incoming ERC20 token transactions. So in this case, we are going to select the new ERC20 token transfer and click Save and Continue. For this test, we are going to use the Koban test network. Put which ERC20 token contract you should trigger on. So you should put the token contract address here. So here in my example, I will put the date token contract address from Koban test network. On the transfer type, we're going to put on token send. So I'm going to send from my account to Bob, for example. And the ERC20 token address that I'm going to watch is from my address. So the Dagger application is going to watch my address for this ERC20 contract to be sent from my address. Then click Continue. When I send tokens from my address, I want it to get executed, right? So we're going to add filter. Let's say we want to do this only when I'm going to send 50 tokens. Select only when. Select human readable amount of the token. Number greater than and 0.1. So if I receive more than 0.1 tokens on my account, Automate will be triggered and send 50 tokens to Bob basically. And now, this is where Automate takes action. We are going to add another step for Automate. Select the Automate plugin. Click Save and Continue. You need to do this offline sign message. So let's go to my Ether wallet, or you can also do this step on my crypto. We go to Send Offline. First thing I usually do is unlock my wallet. I'm gonna go with the keystore file since MetaMask can't sign offline transactions. Then unlock it. Scrolling back up, so put your address which you're going to send the ERC20 token from. Click on Generate Information, so that's basically gonna read your gas price and nonce number. Put Bob's address here. So the condition is that if there is more than 0.1 tokens sent to my account, I want to execute from this account and send it to Bob. So let's say I want to send 50 tokens, then select the ERC20 token on the drop-down menu, and then click on Generate Transaction. And here is the raw transaction, which is not signed. And here you have the signed transaction. You need to copy this signed transaction. Go back to Zapier and then paste the signed transaction, then click Continue. Send test to Automate, and by doing this, you will see information that we did in my Ether wallet. Then click Finish. You can also add another step like using email notifications. Click Save and Continue. Here you can put whatever email you like and the subject as well. In the body of the email, the thing with Zapier and Automate is that Automate reveals the results of your transaction. So you click here so you can view the results of the execution of the ERC20 token transaction. And then you have all the data. These are the test data, but you have data that you want to use like token amount, token name, and recipient address. And then click Continue. You can see all the information that will be sent in the email. Then you can send a test email, then click finish. Name your Zap and turn on your Zap, and we're done. So basically, when the incoming transaction hits my account, the Zap will forward the tokens to Bob.